Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you some strategies to develop a speaking and writing skill. So pay attention so you can use it to improve your skills. As we know, speaking is a crucial part of the language learning process. We need it to communicate what we want to say to another person. So, I'm going to explain you some strategies to improve it, and it helps us to have a good level of communication when we are speaking. So, these are the strategies that I'm gonna explain you. Using minimal responses. Using minimal responses can help us to in different types of exchanges. We can use it. Such response can be especially useful for beginners. Minimal responses are predictable, often idiomatic phrases that participants use in conversations to indicate understanding, agreement, doubt, and other responses that another speaker is saying. Having a stack of such responses enables a learner to focus on what the other participant is saying. Some communication situations are associated with a predictable set of spoken exchanges, as greetings, apologies, compliments, invitations, and other functions that are influenced by the social and cultural norms, often follow patterns of scripts. Instructors can help students develop speaking ability by making them aware of the scripts for different situations so they can predict what will they will hear and what they will need to say in response. Through interactive activities, instructors can give students practice in managing and varying the language that different scripts contain. So it helped them to improve the ability of speak. So if they can practice and they can do in a good way it helps them to improve and have a good knowledge to have a good communication with other people. Now I'm gonna explain you some strategies for writing skills. So pay attention. First strategy to develop writing skill is copying. Copying is a good strategy to improve your level of writing skill. So you have to write down and be focused what the other people is saying you. For example, your teacher, your classmate, or someone that is telling you something. You have to be focused and write down all the information that the other person is saying you. So another type of copying or another way to have this strategy is copying the information that a magazine, a textbook have. So you can improve and have a good knowledge to write down and improve your writing skill. The second strategy to develop writing skill is doing exercise. But what kind of exercise? For example, If your teacher say you that you have to write down the exact information that a piece of paper have, you have to write down exactly what the piece of paper have. So it's a good exercise and it helps you to improve your writing skills. Another is like when someone is telling you something and you have to copy them in your notebook, or for example exercise from a textbook, you have to copy them in your notebook. It, or when you are watching a video, you have to take notes, and whatever that is relating to copy something in your textbook or a piece of paper or something like that. Well, this is all my video. Thanks for your attention.